two natural-born killers. The lion is the terror of the African plains, a fearless fighter. Its cousin, the tiger, is a lone assassin, a silent stalker. They're both armed to the teeth with giant canines, razor-sharp claws, and a bad attitude. Lions and tigers both live in India, but they rarely meet. Contender number 1, the tiger. Meet the striped assassin, ancient symbol of stealth and power. The tiger is the biggest and strongest of all the wild cats. 10 feet long and 3 feet high at the shoulder, he's packed with solid muscle. And at 570 pounds, he weighs as much as 3 large men. This massive strength is matched with lethal weapons. Razor-sharp 3-inch claws and 4-inch canines. Now, to meet the opposition. The African lion is a fearless warrior, 530 pounds of aggression. It's 4 feet tall at the shoulder and almost 11 feet from nose to tail. A male spends his first 4 years learning to fight, preparing for the day he'll vie for control of a pride. He's well equipped for the job, 3-inch canines and 3-inch claws. His willingness to take on all comers has earned him the title King of the Beasts.
In the jungles of India, a lion is in a secret temple looking for a prey to take over. Nearby, a Bengal tiger is feasting on his kill for food. The scene is set for an encounter between 2 of the largest cats in India. In our scenario, the lion goes after the tiger, and they both fell to the ground. But the tiger seizes its chance to get revenge on the lion by giving it some bites on the mane, but the lion's mane reflects his aim. The lion and tiger shake it out like heavyweight boxers, and the combatants are back to square one. The lion tries to scare the tiger off, but it didn't work. The tiger gives the lion a neck bite, but his mane is still there. They both hit each other with their claws on their paws. Then the tiger uses another neck bite on the lion to end it, but it didn't work as well again. So the lion and the tiger battle it out again like heavyweight boxers. But this time, the lion knocks the tiger down, and the tiger is down for a lion bite. The lion gives a tiger a bite, a fatal neck bite, and the lion retains his crown as king of the beasts. Next time, we'll head to the rivers of Africa to witness a fight when hippopotamus and bull shark go head to head.